Hey, this is Joe and John, and our app is a portfolio simulator. So as you can see, we already have a stock saved here. So we can long click it to cancel it. Now we want to just add one more stock. So let's say Apple. Oh, actually, if we just do not input anything and try to edit, it would just say insert valid input here. So we want to insert valid input, say just the ticker of Apple, and then the purchase price, say 300, and then we want, and then just the number of shares we bought. So yeah, so we can see if the change is negative, it will appear red, otherwise it will be green. And then we have 5 columns here. So first one is the symbols, second one is the real-time price, third one is the change, which is basically the bought-in price, the difference between the bought-in price and the real-time price, and also we have the percentage change and the total investment. So since we have 2 stocks, we can use this total return function here, which shows the weighted average of the percentage change here. And we can also click the stock to have more info. So as we can see, we have a lot of data here, and also we can choose charts for different time intervals. And this is a pretty awesome function actually. So if we want to quit, we will pop up this warning. So we definitely want to save it, and then it will just have the same thing the next time. So that's pretty much all of the function we have.
Hi, my name is John and I'll briefly go over the coding part of this project. So first we have this launch activity that goes into main activity right away in 2000 milliseconds, and right after entering the main activity, the load data function runs to retrieve data from JSON using shared preferences that is saved before, and if there is none, it creates new array list that stores quote classes. And quote stores information about individual stock like current price, volume, and sticker. As stock prices changes all the time, we have this update function that brings data from web API for all stocks added before. So it uses for loop to go over what is inside the array list and update current stock price. After that, we have this adapter notify item change function to update in our recycler view. Clicking plus icon goes into another activity called searcher that asks 3 information about the stock. And when the user clicks add stock button, we store input data, and using the symbol entered by the user, we search the stock in web API, bring all necessary information and store them as well. After that, we used onActivity result to get the information back to main activity from the searcher class, from the searcher activity, and save the stock as a quote and add to our array list. Clicking individual stock list to individual stock activity that shows different financial information collected before, and also illustrate graph for historical prices. Since the JSON arrays are different for different time intervals, we needed to have different for loops for different time intervals. For instance, if it was a 1 day, we plot our data point every 10 minutes, and if it's 1 year, we plot data every 30 days, which is roughly a month. I think that's it. Thank you for listening.